for a long time, it will turn to brown. But is there a way we can keep that from happening? Let's find out. Let's start our experiment. First, let us prepare the 4 liquids that we will be using. We have water, milk, lemon, and soda. Next, slice the apple into 4 pieces. Then, immediately soak them to the 4 liquid we prepared. Let them soak for 30 minutes. After that, let them expose to air for another 30 minutes. As a result, here are the apples. The first slice to turn brown was the one soaked in milk, followed by the one soaked in water, then the one soaked in soda. Finally, if you put lemon on an apple, it will not turn brown as fast. There you have it. Thank you for joining me in this experiment. Once again, I am Sorin Kate Alfonsedo of Sevendalia. See you next time!